We're going to go out right about where the drip line is. Drip line is what they call the outside of where the limbs are. So you can just kind of trace yourself an imaginary circle around where the limbs are, and that's kind of where I want to start putting the compost, in a few inches out around there. And I'm using last year's compost along with some humus and manure. Horse manure works very good. I've been letting it sit since last year, so I mixed it up. And if you don't have compost or can't make compost, you can go get it at your local nursery. You can get humus and manure for just a couple dollars a bag, about any Home Depot, hardware store. And just kind of lightly throw it out there a couple inches. You don't want it too close because you don't want to burn these roots. We're going to come back and put some mulch on top of those to protect those roots. And that's about it. I like to do this and put another layer of compost about every season, and put a couple inches on there to every tree, and that's going to help establish it.